Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, solid and well-maintained full-size pickup truck with 139,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 5.7-liter V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance along with smooth and comfortable driving. This truck features a classic green exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a timeless and practical look. It comes with a clean title, and the smog check has already been completed, making it ready for its next owner. The vehicle runs and drives well, showing no mechanical issues, which reflects proper care and maintenance over the years. Overall, this Silverado stands out as a dependable and capable truck, suitable for daily driving, light-duty work, or as a solid addition for classic truck enthusiasts. Number 2. 1991 Toyota pickup, price $6,990, with 256,000 miles on the odometer. This truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable 2.4L22RE four-cylinder gasoline engine, known for its durability. It features a black exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving it a classic and practical look. The vehicle also includes a properly functioning cold AC system, a battery that was replaced in 2024, and 4 new Toyo tires, making it ready for daily use or light-duty work. The truck starts, runs, and drives, but it does have a few known imperfections. The paint shows some cosmetic issues consistent with its age, and there is an oil leak that is believed to be related to a brake line. In addition, a rattling noise can be heard at certain RPMs, which is suspected to be caused by a stretched timing chain that may need replacement in the near future. Overall, this is a solid and reliable classic pickup with minor mechanical and cosmetic issues that could be addressed over time. Number 3. 1995 Nissan Hardbody, price $5,800, featuring a manual transmission, gasoline engine, and approximately 170,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in blue with an interior designed for practical use, this truck reflects the kind of build quality that made these models popular for both work and everyday driving. It comes with a clean history, showing no reported accidents, along with 7 recorded service entries on Carfax. It is also registered in California. Known for their longevity, trucks like this Nissan Hardbody are often sought after for their toughness, fuel efficiency, and ability to keep running for many more years. With a clean title, it stands as a solid option for anyone looking for a dependable work truck. Number 4. 1982 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, well-preserved classic pickup that combines vintage appeal with reliable performance. It is powered by a small block Chevy SBC engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, offering smooth shifting and a comfortable driving experience. With 165,000 miles on the odometer, the truck continues to run and drive well, reflecting proper maintenance over time. Finished in a brown exterior with a clean and well-kept beige interior, the vehicle presents nicely both inside and out. The paint remains in good condition, adding to its classic charm, while the interior shows careful ownership and attention to detail. Running on gasoline, this C10 provides dependable usability whether for casual driving or as part of a collection. It also comes equipped with good wheels and tires, further supporting its road-ready condition and overall solid appearance as a classic Chevrolet pickup. Number 5. 2001 Ford Ranger, price $4,900, equipped with a 4.0L V6 engine and automatic transmission is being offered in good running condition. The truck has approximately 147,500 miles on it and features a 4x4 drivetrain, making it suitable for both daily use and light off-road needs. It comes in a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Overall, the vehicle is described as clean inside and out, showing very minimal wear for its age. Everything is reported to be functioning as it should, and it drives well without any major issues. While driving, there is a light rattling sound noted, which is believed to be coming from a heat shield, but it does not affect the overall performance of the truck. Number 6. 1979 Ford F150, price $10,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 460 V8 engine paired with a C6 transmission. This classic truck features a distinctive green exterior matched with a green interior, and it runs on gasoline. It also comes with dual fuel tanks, a tilt steering column with cruise control, power brakes, and power steering. Although the power steering pump currently has a leak, the truck remains largely original, with the only notable changes being the wheels, sliding rear glass, and radio. It is offered with a Texas title in hand. Significant recent maintenance has been completed, including a professionally rebuilt original carburetor, 2 new gas tanks with sending units, new brakes, a new master cylinder, new rotors, and new brake lines. Additional updates include new spark plugs, ignition wires, coil, starter solenoid, ignition module, and a new windshield. Number 7. 1997 Ford F150, price $3,950, presented as a reliable and well-running truck. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a Triton 4.6L V8 gasoline engine. The exterior is finished in black, complemented by a tan interior, giving it a classic and balanced look. The vehicle runs and drives well, with a properly functioning cold air conditioning system for added comfort. It is equipped with new all-terrain tires, making it suitable for various road conditions. Additional conveniences include power locks and power windows, enhancing everyday usability. Although the odometer has stopped at 300,000 miles, the truck continues to perform reliably, making it a solid option for those seeking a durable and functional pickup. Number 8. 1979 Toyota pickup, price $9,500, classic example of a vintage truck that has been well cared for over the years. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a brown exterior paired with a beige interior that remains clean and in very good condition. The current owner has had the truck for 8 years and invested $5,000 in a repaint. However, the work was unfortunately not done properly, as moisture in the spray equipment led to corrosion developing afterward. As a result, the vehicle will require the attention of a skilled painter to restore its exterior to its full potential. Despite this, the truck stands out as a rarely seen classic on the roads in the United States, and its engine has already been rebuilt, adding to its value and reliability. Number 9. 1997 Dodge Ram 2500, price $8,700, powered by the legendary 12-valve Cummins diesel engine. This truck has accumulated 374,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, paired with a factory turbo and an unmodified P-pump, preserving its original performance characteristics. It features an extended configuration, finished in a white exterior with a gray interior. As a California smog-exempt vehicle, it comes with a clean California title and hand and current registration. The truck has been upgraded with a Banks twin ram intake manifold and a 3-inch exhaust system, enhancing airflow and efficiency. It is a 2WD model, and the air conditioning system is fully functional. Number 10. 1970 Ford F100, price $4,500, powered by a 302 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. It features a burgundy exterior complemented by a black interior, giving the truck a timeless and appealing vintage look. The vehicle runs and drives, making it a solid candidate for restoration or light use. However, the transmission currently needs adjustment, as it will not go past 50 miles per hour. Despite this issue, the truck still shows good potential for someone looking for a project or a classic daily driver with some work. It is listed in non-operational status, comes with a clean title, and has no back fees, which makes the ownership process more straightforward. Additionally, due to its age, it has never required smog certification, adding to its appeal for buyers looking for fewer regulatory requirements.